Families in Cape Coral will find out if they can go back to their homes. An EF1 tornado damaged 15 homes in the Northwest Cape over the weekend. Now it's up to one person to inspect the homes and determine if they're safe. NBC2's Delia D'Ambra is live in our First Alert News Tracker tonight with a look at the damage.
We're driving on Northwest 26th Place, and this is the neighborhood that was worst hit by the tornado. I want to show you from our cameras what we're seeing. Just house after house with blue tarps on the roofs. Some of these are now deemed unlivable. Also, I'll switch to a camera here and show you debris is still everywhere in these neighborhoods. You can see roof shingles, tape from first responders that were here, and then a very real image that we've seen the last couple of days. This Kia SUV crumpled up, still sitting on the side of the road after it was tossed by that tornado.
One of my palm trees is now a flagpole.
Frank Castia hasn't stopped looking around his house.
360-degree devastation.
Since Saturday morning, items are missing.
Now, these were large-size storage units, and I think either someone owns them or they're in the pond with the gators.
And vegetation he planted almost 2 decades ago is down for good.
At 16 years, we loved our trees and bushes even more, and they're gone.
He's staying positive because when Henry Guerrero came by,
looked straight up a small canal that was there, and you could see the path from there clearly.
The city inspector didn't tag Castia's house as unsafe.
There were about 15 structures that we visited, 3 of which we said were unsafe. Most of the other ones were either shingle damage, screen enclosure had blown down, maybe vegetation had blown into those.
Guerrero says the homes that are no longer safe had such severe damage to the interior and exterior walls and roofs that living inside would put people in danger.
One house was all the windows completely blown out of it. Some interior walls had moved. Plywood removed from the garage door sucked out.
Despite how residences may look, Guerrero says the Northwest neighborhood dodged a bullet.
I was surprised at how many, it hit the first 2 homes and then went straight down the street. So it missed some, if it had went a different direction, it had went over more houses.
Homeowners tell me that collectively their insurance estimates for this kind of damage is totaling well over $1 million. The city tells me it does not anticipate reg tagging any more homes at this point in this Northwest Cape Coral neighborhood. I'm live in Cape Coral, Delia D'Ambra, NBC2.
NBC2 is looking into the history of tornadoes in Cape Coral. This most recent one was in January of 2016. Tornadoes are rare in the Cape. There's only been 9 in Cape Coral this century. Here are some of the pictures from the damage in 2016. The tornado formed near Matlacha and moved along Beach Parkway.